On day 3, we woke up early and headed down to the T Creek Gauley Mountain Trail system. This would be my second time downhill mountain biking, but as the day went on, I gained more confidence and really enjoyed myself.
Damn, I'm surprised I did that. If I had an e-bike, I could come up this too easy. But my fat ass can't come. He coming up here on a regular bike.
It's gonna be a tough climb, that's for sure. You can do it? Yeah, you got it.
Go back. Take the left trail.
Yeah, this one,
Go
right?
to the left, yeah.
440.
Yeah.
I think that, because how long is it? What's 440? 440's Bear Pen Ridge Trail. That's 3.5 miles.
It's 3 miles. It's 3 miles to, what's it called?
Gauley?
Gauley.
Yeah.
And then Gauley, let me see. Oh man, it'll be a tough climb. But
Oh, you can walk some of it.
yeah. Once we get on Gauley, there's a little bit of an uphill section, and then it levels out.
Right, what we're doing, right? We're here. We're gonna do 440, right?
Yep.
438, and then go up.
Go back up.
Go back up.
Make the loop.
Uh-huh.
Right now we're on the trail for an hour. We're at 2.7 miles.
2.7. So what is that? 3.8. This is probably what? Maybe another 3 miles?
Yeah.
So like 10 miles, maybe? The ride up to the Bear Pen Ridge Shelter was brutal. It was straight uphill, but it's the kind of riding that I really enjoy. It tests your endurance and stamina. Terrill prefers the more technical downhill riding, but all in all, the trail was just awesome.
Power Rangers.
Almost there, man, almost there. My legs feel like noodles.
miles.
Damn, man.
2 hours and 37.
That felt like 100 miles. That was epic, though. That was so awesome. So just took a shower. Used the I got the kick-ass shower awning, and so yeah, feeling super clean. And that's my seat belt. It was really easy to use. I'd gone 3 days without showering, and it's just nice to get a nice, clean pair of clothes and feeling fresh again. So we are now heading out of Tea Creek, and we just had lunch by this little laguna, and then we're gonna head over to Lake Buffalo and camp there for the night before we meet up with some friends the next day. We actually didn't end up camping at Lake Buffalo. We couldn't find a spot that we really enjoyed, so we explored the area a little bit more. And I will leave you with these images of this epic camp spot that we found. It's absolutely beautiful. But I'm going to leave this campsite not to be named, just because it seemed like it's a nice local spot and I don't want to spoil it. So stay tuned for the next episode, because there's going to be some awesome images of sunrise and sunset. Hombre de maíz.